नमस्कार। Both arms in Chin Mudra, close your eyes, sit straight, feel the divine effect of the mantras. Today our topic is what is meditation and how to do it. Meditation, ध्यान, Maharishi Patanjali says Tatra Pratyek Tanta Dhyan. It means continuity of concentration is dhyan or meditation. Dhyan is the second last stage of Ashtanga Yoga. If you want to become successful in dhyan, meditation, we should follow all the previous stages: yam, niyam, asana, pranayama, pratyahara, dharana. Then dhyan. Then start to do dhyan. If you do dhyan directly, then your meditation, your dhyan will not be effective. You will not be successful. First of all, you have to follow yama. It is of 5 times: truthfulness, non-violence, non-stealing, celibacy, and non-accumulation of parigraha. First of all, you have to follow this. Then niyama, Shauch, purity of your body, purity of your mind, and purity of the surrounding environment. First of all, purify your body, purify your mind, and purify the surrounding environment. That is called Shauch. Santosh, be contented, be satisfied with what you have. Shauch, santosh, tap, austerity, burn yourself, do effort to achieve an ideal goal. It means you have to control yourself on your sense organs. That is tapa, austerity. Saw santosta, swadhyaya. Do self-study. Do the study of such type of scriptures that purifies your mind, like study Vedas, Puranas, Upanishad, Gita, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana, Bible, the scriptures of Pandit Sri Ram Sarmacharya. You should study this type of books that will purify your mind. It is the fact. What we think, that we do, and what we do, that we become. Means all the activities, all the behaviors are regulated by our thinking. So Swadhyaya, the study of this type of scriptures will purify your thinking. Then Ishwar Pranidhamana, dedication to God. You should have belief in God, in Almighty. So these are the 5 steps of Niyama. So first of all, you have to follow Yama, then Niyama. Then you should do asanas to make your body and mind strong. Asanas make your body and mind strong. It creates balance. It creates harmony between our body, mind and soul. Then do pranayamas that will purify your nerves, purify your blood capillaries, that will provide you mental relaxation, that will remove your all physical and mental problems. Then pratyahara. Yam, niyam, asan, pranayama, pratyahara. You have to control. Pratyahara means sense control. You have to control all your sense organs. When you will follow Yam, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, then you will be able to control all your sense organs. You have to stop the diversion of your mind. That is Pratyahara. Then Dharana, Yam, Niyam, Asan, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana. Dharana means concentration. After controlling all your sense organs, after stopping the diversion of your mind, you have to concentrate your mind on a particular goal. That is dharana, concentration. Then next step is dhyana, meditation. Continuity of concentration is meditation. And when you will be successful in dhyana, then next stage and last stage is samadhi, that is the stage of self-realization. In this stage, you will not be a normal person. You will be powerful, you will be divine like God. You will have enormous energy. You will have enormous power. You will have the control on all the things of the world. You will be as powerful as the God. That is the ultimate goal of life. You will be free from the cycle of death and birth. You will be just like God. So first of all, we should know the benefits of dhyana. Then I will tell you about how to do dhyana, meditation. There are three main benefits of dhyana. First is on our mental level. If you do dhyana in a proper way on regular basis, then your all mental problems will be removed. Your stress, anxiety, depression, tension, headache, migraine, insomnia, all mental problems will be removed. You will get mental relaxation. You will have mental peace. You will have inner satisfaction. You will have eternal happiness. And your mental capabilities will be improved. Your concentration, your memory, intelligence, self-confidence will be very high. You will be full of positive energy. It is the first benefit of meditation at the mental level. Second benefit, meditation is the process of transferring the quality. Through meditation, qualities are transferred on which object, on which thing you meditate. The quality of that object is transferred to you. If you meditate on a cruel, it is approved by research. If you meditate on a cruel person, on a demon, then you will become like that cruel person or like that demon. Your behavior, your activities will be transformed like the cruel person, like the demon. But if you meditate on any saint, any sage, any form of God, on the sun or moon, your activities, your behavior will be improved, and you will become great, you will become pious, you will become divine like that object. In this way, meditation is the process of transferring the quality. In this way, so we should always meditate on the divine things. And in this way, we become divine. We acquire good qualities. And we become normal to extraordinary. We become great. We become divine like God. We become the collection of all the divine qualities. And it is said, my Guru says, man is a diverted God. We are diverted God. When we stop the diversion of our mind, we become just like God. So meditation is the process of inculcating virtuous qualities to become like God. And third benefit is the problems, the sufferings which we face in our life are only the result of our past bad deeds. When we do meditation in a proper way, on regular basis, the bad effect of our bad deeds are removed, are diminished. All the bad effects of our bad deeds are completely removed by doing regular and effective meditation, and our present and future becomes bright and happy. So these are the three precious benefits of meditation. Now, how to meditate? How to do meditation? We should do meditation in morning or evening. The best time for meditation is do meditation before 8 o'clock in the morning, and also in evening do meditation between 5 to 8 p.m. It means during the sunrise and during the sunset we should do meditation. That is the best time for meditation. How to meditate? First of all, you have to decide on which thing you have to meditate. You can choose any form of God, any form of Guru. Any form means a real Guru. Your Guru should be self-realized. If your Guru has achieved the stage of self-realization, then you can choose that Guru, or the sun or moon. You can take this type of things. First of all, take the image of that object on which you have to meditate. You can take also the image of Jesus Christ. You can take the image of Lord Shiva, Lord Ganesha, the rising sun, the moon, any form of God. You can take the image of that thing and paste on the wall at the level of your eyes. You have to sit in this position. In the morning, after taking bath, first of all, do your all morning work, become fresh, do your yogic practices first, asana, pranayamas, karma, all the things. Then take your bath, and after that do meditation. Do meditation, start your meditation at least 10 minutes. Start with 10 minutes and gradually you should increase. How to meditate? First of all, light some incense sticks, create a divine environment, and then sit before the image in Padmasana or Ardha Padmasana or Sukhasana, in Vajrasana. You can sit in any meditative pose. Both arms in Chin Mudra, sit straight. You have to gaze at the meditative object and close the eyes and mentally visualize that object. And you have to mentally chant Gayatri Mantra. Chant Gayatri Mantra. It is the most powerful mantra. And it brings wisdom within us. If you have not learned Gayatri Mantra, play the music of Gayatri Mantra. Slowly, the volume should be low. In low volume, you have to play the Gayatri Mantra, the music of Gayatri Mantra. And you have to chant with that music. You have to chant mentally with that music of Gayatri Mantra. And mentally visualize your meditative object. Then when it will disappear, then again open the eyes and gaze at your meditative object. And continue chanting Gayatri Mantra. You have not to stop Gayatri Mantra. You have to mentally chant. Then close the eyes. Again mentally visualize your meditative object. When it will be disappeared, then again open the eyes and again gaze at your meditative object. Then again close the eyes, again mentally visualize. Mental chanting of Gayatri Mantra will be continued. In this way you have to meditate. You start with 10 minutes. When you enjoy, when interest will be created for meditation, gradually increase the timings. Increase to 10 to 15 minutes, 15 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. 1 hour meditation is sufficient, enough. If you do meditation in this way, you will get the result within 1 month. You will feel your mind is going towards the right path. All your negativities are removing. The diversion of mind is stopped. You will feel always mentally relaxed. You will feel mental relaxation, mental peace, mental inner happiness. All the time you will feel energetic and full of positive energies, and you will always be happy. This type of changes you will feel within 1 month. And continue the practice, and gradually you will experience divine energy, divine power, divine qualities, high confidence level, high mental level. You will get tremendous benefits. So in this way you have to do meditation. If you are not comfortable in chanting Gayatri Mantra, then you start with Om, chant Om, only chant Om mentally and do meditation. But it will be better to chant Gayatri Mantra. So try to learn Gayatri Mantra and start meditation and get the divine experience, divine benefits. In this way you have to meditate, you should meditate. If anyone has any query, any question, any suggestion regarding meditation, regarding spirituality, you can ask question to me, you can ask through WhatsApp. Okay, so in this way you should do meditation, and first of all follow all the steps of Ashtanga Yoga, then start meditation. Then you will be completely, you will be definitely successful in meditation, and you will become normal to extraordinary. Close your eyes, both arms in Chin Mudra, sit straight, chant 1 time Om with me. Shanti. Pray to God, may all become happy, may all become healthy, may we see what is auspicious, may no one suffer in any way. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Shantu Niramaya, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma kasyit dukha bhave. Om Do Shanti Antariksha Gange औषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देव शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्ति सर्वगम्य शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्ति क्षमा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्तिः 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 सर्वारेष्टसु शान्तिर्भवतु। Rub your palms, put on your eyes and face your whole body. Feel the divine effect of yogic practices. Open your eyes. Thank you.